Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Yet again, we're discussing this sort of raid phenomenon that we're seeing quite a lot of here in Thailand. Scrutiny being applied by Thai law enforcement, and various folks here in Thailand, especially foreign nationals, are kind of under the microscope in relation to their immigration and work permit status. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Phuket News. That's thephuketnews.com. Article is titled, Phuket Immigration Joins Illegal Business Raid. So again, I think something worth pointing out here is Phuket immigration police are now getting involved with this. So they're now scrutinizing this nominee issue, this Foreign Business Act issue, in conjunction with maintaining, folks who are maintaining their visa status. I think in immigration's concern is these people are maintaining immigration status fraudulently. That seems to be the concern. Quoting directly, ST Accounting has already come under close scrutiny for setting up companies using nominees following a raid by Department of Special Investigation Officer, DSI officers in June last year. Yeah, we talked about that on this channel. And I said at the time, that was, to my mind, pretty good indicator of kind of a watershed moment. We're really seeing a shift in paradigm. We're seeing, it's not just paradigm, a shift in law enforcement activities that, theretofore up to the point of June last year, we really weren't seeing that level of heightened scrutiny, that level of law enforcement activity in this kind of context. And since then, we've only seen this ramp up more, as is evidence from this article. Quoting further, DSI Director General Police Major Surya Singhakomon in Phuket to lead the raid explained that the company was under investigation for its involvement in facilitating nearly 70 foreigners illegally operating companies with holdings worth an estimated total of 440 billion baht. As we noted in other videos at that time, and as I'll bring up now, there also was the concern regarding land holding companies, which we've discussed at great length on this channel over the past few years. Yes, there may be certain narrow circumstances where a company is set up that then takes possession of real estate, real property, land here in Thailand. There are narrow circumstances where a foreigner may be involved in such an enterprise, but generally speaking, where a company is simply being utilized for as basically as a subterfuge, if you will, or to circumvent the laws regarding land holding companies, or not so much immigration, but the Thai authorities take that pretty darn seriously. Now, again, that's not really the thrust of this video. I'm making another video contemporaneously with this one discussing the land holding company side of things. But that said, at the end of the day, what one should really take away from this video is that, one, Thai immigration is now involved in this stuff. And again, there's a great deal of heightened scrutiny which is being placed upon foreign nationals. I don't think it's a coincidence that we have recently seen a spate of incidences involving quote-unquote foreigners behaving badly. And I think that has something to do with this. I've done videos talking about that. Now we're also seeing that down in Phuket, there seems to be an acute concern regarding foreign nationals in Phuket and Greater Thailand for that matter, but it seems to be of a special concern down on that island that they're seeing foreigners come in. May have something to do with the fact Phuket has its own international airport. So it sort of has its own corridor into Thailand of foreign nationals, and those foreign nationals may be doing things differently than what we're seeing up here than Bangkok and, Bangkok, Pattaya, the Thai Central Plains, if you will. We're not seeing quite the level of law enforcement activity up here, and it appears that there seems to be acute issues, again, down in Phuket. So the thing to take away from this video is they're getting serious not only about immigration and labor law enforcement, but now the Foreign Business Act as well.